Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, right click here, select task manager. You need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Then click on run new task. Now select browse button, and on this window we need to select this PC. Then open C drive. Then we need to find out Windows folder, so double click on it to open it. Then find out system32 folder, again open it. Then find out cmd file, just scroll down and here it is. This is the application. You need to select it and click on open. Now check this box to create this task with administrative privileges. After that click on OK, and on this window we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. First of all, type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then okay, it's just no typing mistake. We need to type in good manner netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Once done, we need to type in netsh intip reset log.txt and hit enter. Okay, so type exit to close the command prompt window. Then simply go to search bar, type in services and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the two services. The first one is Windows Update, so just scroll down and right click on it, select properties. Then we need to set the startup type as automatic and start the service. Then click on apply and then OK. After that we need to find out the WLAN auto config, so here it is. Again right click on it, select properties and set startup type as manual automatic. Then click on start. After that click on apply and then OK. Once done, we need to close this window and simply right click here, select device manager. This is the last step to fix this issue. Simply expand the network adapters, so here it is, expand it, and the right click on the particular driver, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers. Then click on search automatically for drivers. This will update the latest driver, and close this window. After that we need to just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.